In today's video, I will be showing you how to withdraw your Solmax Igniter 200 earnings. How to withdraw your Solmax Igniter 200 earnings. Igniter 200 earnings. And I will be showing you the simple method to go about this, because as Solmax Igniter 200, it came into place immediately after the end of the Igniter 100 shares. So that happened in the month of March/April year 2021. And everybody has been majority of those that invested into Solmax I100, they also invested into Solmax 200, but the issue is that many, they don't know how to withdraw their earnings. They just keep on accumulating their earnings, and they did not know how to even purchase more package with what they have earned already. So I will be showing you step by step how to go about it, how to withdraw your I200 earnings, or how to buy another package, another subscription package with what you have earned. So this is the simple method that I will be showing you in today's video. But before I go further, I welcome you to this channel. This is Lasojeni Biztalk. This video is brought to you courtesy of Lasojeni Biztalk. In Lasojeni Biztalk, I share with you some ways whereby you can make money for yourself online, and also to review some fraudulent or suspicious online investment in order for you not to venture into such and lose your hard-earned money. Okay, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell. Turn it to all notification for you to be continually aware of the next update, for you not to miss any update from this channel. Okay, and if you have any question concerning this video or any of the content on Lasojeni Biztalk, you can contact me through this email, my phone number here, my WhatsApp contact here. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be making some announcements, frequent one, on how you can make money for yourself online. Alright, and if you found this video to be very, very meaningful to you, kindly like and share with your friends and family at the end. Alright, so quickly, what we are considering today is how to withdraw your Solmax I200 earnings. How to withdraw your Solmax Igniter 200 earnings, and I will be showing you the simple methods to go about this. So let me take you to my dashboard. So I will first try as much as possible to explain the different accounts, the different columns that we can see here on the dashboard. So the first column here is my account. It shows the package that I have subscribed to, the first package that I have subscribed to when I started Igniter 200. So it shows basic here. So let us go to the shop to check the particular amount that is correlated to the basic package. Okay, so I'm waiting for this to load. So I want to try to explain all these columns, all these accounts here: loyalty account, total bonus, cash account, my team, network points, SMG credit. So I will need to explain everything to you. So the network is a bit slow. Let me pause this. Okay, so these are the packages. So let me check for the basic package that I subscribe to. So as you can see, basic package costs $100. So let me go back to the dashboard. Okay, so now that means that I have subscribed to the $100 package. So, and I have 17,500. The reason why I have 17,500 in this loyalty account is that the package that I bought, it will be converted to SMG, and the rate is 0.01, and one will be given 175% discount of whatever package that you are subscribed to. So that's 175% discount on the $100 package that I bought, gives me 17,500 loyalty account. It gives me 17,500 SMG in my loyalty account. Okay, so now let me go to the total bonus. So this total bonus is for is what I gain, is what I have earned from my network, is what I have earned from my referral. That is my referral bonus. This is where it comes. All right, so now my cash account, can see that in this cash account we have two two accounts there. We have the commission account and the loyalty account. Now the commission account is what you also earn from your referral, while the loyalty account, the one here, the one under, is what you earn daily on your subscription on the package that you have bought. So the two are withdrawable. So loyalty account, loyalty points that you have here is what you are earning, is your daily earning based on the package that you have subscribed to. And now the SMG credit is given to you whenever you purchase a package. Now the network points, so this is what you earn from your network. It will not be from your own direct referral, but from all the people that are under you. So it doesn't mean that it's not compulsory that you are the one that will refer all the people in your network, but you earn from your indirect referral. So this is my team. The total number in my team, they are 34. You can see direct is 34, left 19, and right is 21. All right. So now I have in my team, I have 34 people. In my left I have 19, in my right I have 21. So addition of 21 and 19, it gives 40. So I have the total of 40 in my team, but those that I refer directly, they are 34. I hope you understand that now. So what I'm talking about, how to withdraw your Solmax earnings. Now for you to withdraw your Solmax earnings, you will go to the profile. You go to the profile. So from the profile, you click on payment. So when you have clicked on payment, you are going to see your bank details as you have seen it here. So the first thing for you to do is that you need to download the SMG token app. So go to Google Play Store or App Store, depending on the device that you are using. So when you have downloaded the App Store, the SMG token wallet, then you are going to copy, after you have registered and you have run through the registration processes, then you copy out your address, your wallet address. As you can see here, my old wallet address is ox blah blah blah. So this is my SMG wallet address. So right now we can withdraw our SMG Igniter 200 earnings through SMG token. So we can withdraw through SMG tokens. As you can see, we can withdraw through SMG tokens. So that is what you need to do first before you go to the withdrawal place. So you are just going to click here to edit, and after you have clicked there, so you are going to input your smg.to address, wallet address, because that is where your earnings will go before it will now be converted, before you will now transfer it to Bilaxy Exchange, Cartex Exchange, or any of the exchanges that have listed SMG token pair. All right. So now the next thing for you to go is go to transaction. You click on transaction. Okay. The network is a bit slow today. So when you click on transaction, then you click on the loyalty account. Okay, sorry, you click on loyalty balance rather. All right, so this is loyalty balance. Then you click on withdrawal request. And as you can see here, the only option for you to withdraw is through crypto wallet, and the crypto wallet is only the SMG token. I hope you understand. It's through the SMG token. That is how you can withdraw. So you select smg.to because it's there already. So SMG price.to price to USDT is 0.0026009. So now I want to withdraw. So withdraw amount, I want to withdraw 30. I want to withdraw $30. So then I click on submit. So my transaction password is requested for. So it's now been processed. Okay, your withdrawal request has been submitted successfully. It has been submitted successfully. So I'm going to see this in my wallet, in my SMG wallet, as soon as possible. So that is how to go about your SMG, your Solmax Igniter 200 withdrawal. It's very simple. It's very simple. So just follow through the steps that I have explained and you will get it in your SMG wallet. All right, so let me check. So let me refresh the page. So it's still in process. It's not yet completed. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is where I will stop for today. So if you have any question concerning this video, feel free to contact me through my WhatsApp number, email address, or call me on phone and join our Telegram channel. Thank you so much. This is where I will stop. So till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now.